holidays. It's time for the holidays. Can't believe we made it through the maze. It's been a long year coming. Better bring a gift and the right attitude if you coming. It's the holidays. You ready for the holidays? Hand in
What it do? Myles Crew!
It's your boy Alan.
It's Riri. It's my mom. It's Amy. Lily.
It's Britney and
Ari. It's Vlogmas Day night.
Guys, 80's not here right now. He's at basketball practice, but he will be a judge when he gets back. So you guys will see him a little bit later.
Today we're having a cookie competition. But wait, there's more to it. We're going to be doing Making It Possible, the easy version. There will be 3 teams, 2 people to a team, and 1 person will be by themselves. At the end, somebody will be eliminated.
All right, guys, we chose teams to make things easy. I'm going to be on a team by myself. Team Alan, let's go.
And then me and Avery are going to be on a team together because she's the smallest, and so it was the fairest. And me and Avery's team name is what, Avery?
Team Besties.
Team Bestie. Go best friend.
You're killing them. Our team name is Team Glitter.
All right, guys, these are all the ingredients that we got. These little bad boys right here. We're gonna roll dice. We've been using these dice a lot, guys. We're gonna roll the dice to see who gets to go first to pick the ingredients, guys.
All right, you guys. The high number wins. I'm gonna roll. Aww.
That's Team Gaga.
You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Here we go. They want me to go next. All right. Oh!
What'd you get?
A 1.
Dang, man, you gonna have to roll again. All right.
3.
What the?
So right now, y'all first. Oh my God.
What?
I'm having bad luck. I'm having bad luck. What's going on? No, I don't roll again.
Here we go.
Wait, what is that doing?
He's rolling again. So Dad goes second. All right, you guys, so we're gonna set the clock for 30 seconds. Each team, in the order that we rolled, are gonna pick a pack of cookies. They're gonna pick frosting, a cookie cutter, and 2 decorations for their cookies. So they have to think very wisely, and the clock is getting ready to start now.
Wait, 2 decorations?
Yep.
Nope, not having that.
15 seconds.
Lee, you can't pick everything. God. Okay, we got our 5 things.
All right, you guys, it's Alan's turn.
All right.
All right. I only got 1 option left, guys. I think I'm gonna mess with this chocolate, do something with that. Gingerbread house. Gonna see what I can do with that. This and red sprinkles are this food coloring. See what I can create. Okay, you guys. So we're gonna have 15 minutes to prep the cookies and get them into the oven. We're gonna have 10 minutes of cooling time and 15 minutes to decorate. This is gonna be very fast paced. You may wanna stand up because this is gonna be fast, just like the show. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
We gotta go set the timer. 1, 2, 3.
It's all good, guys. I found the roller.
What?
Well, whatever works.
Oh, snap.
Is it working?
A little sticky.
Mine is super sticky. I don't know if it's gonna.
Wow.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Look at mine.
Hey guys, the first batch of cookies just got out, so now we're about to start the cooling process for 10 minutes. Guys, the other 2 pans came out, and we're starting the cooling process on those too. 10 minutes. Oh, fresh out of practice.
What's up, guys? It's your boy AD, and I'm kind of tired, so I'm gonna go put my bags upstairs, and I'll be back down to be the judge.
And I love cookies and I love sweets, and I guess the reason why I've been chosen to be a judge is because they knew I was going to be available.
My name is Aiden Myles, and I am qualified here to taste some cookies, and it's because I got back from basketball practice, you know what I mean? I wasn't able to contest, but you guys know I would have won if I was here. Okay.
You got B West in the cut. The reason why I'm qualified for these cookies, well, I really don't know. It's only been my 3rd day out here. I don't know. Well,
1 hour later.
okay.
Guys, here's how the cookies look. The finished product, guys.
Was that it?
You silly. Yeah, you didn't know?
You didn't know 3 days? 3 days out here? Uzi, y'all need to look at that clip.
Oh, I didn't know.
This is only my 3rd day out here. I don't know.
All right,
You don't know that?
we're gonna start the judges off with this one first, y'all.
That is my cookie creation. And it is chocolate red velvet sprinkle surprise. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Decided for the first one, cookie is good. Got good taste, moisturization, but the presentation, that's what got us. So we're on to the next one for now.
Thank you, chefs.
All right, we got the next cookies, guys. I call these cookies here the 3 Little Christmas cookies. Bruh. Go ahead, guys. Let's dig on up in there.
really good. We gave that cookie 8 cookies out of 10 cookies.
On the presentation, I say we gave it a perfect 10 because I love the design,
Creativity.
We have some 3D motion coming up out of one cookie. I loved it.
Okay. These are the pink confetti monsters.
Pink confetti monsters.
Presentation, it was really good. Moist, it's really good. So we give it a perfect hands up on creativity, taste, and everything. We give it a perfect 10.
10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. So who made these cookies?
Go get your partner.
I ain't gonna lie, these things good.
The mother's good. You girls are number 1. Y'all won. What was your team name, Ava?
Team Glitter.
Team Glitter came out victorious, guys.
All right, you guys. I feel like I gave it my all. I felt like I was given a certain hand, and I felt like I could be creative with the tools that I had. But you know what? It just wasn't good enough. It's not my time right now, but you guys, you never know. I'm not going to stop trying. I'm not going to stop trying. And I'm happy for everybody else, but this isn't my end of the journey, okay?
We'll see you